I think counterintuitive thinking is something I feel a lot of people fail to develop. But I've seen budding managers or leaders in our organization and outside as well struggle with that. Now, when I say develop counterintuitive thinking, let me give an example to understand what I mean by that. So, for example, if you want to make money, the obvious thing would be to focus on salary, right? But if you read a lot of books and you're successful people, you will realize that you got to focus on having an impact on a growing organization by finding one organization like that and focusing on the goals of that organization. But what does that really mean when I say this? And the answer to that question is the way you think differently and so make decisions differently. So if you are focused towards making more salary, you will constantly look to hop from organization to organization, and that might give you some growth, but eventually your resume will speak that you are not a reliable person. And then beyond a certain level in senior leadership roles, you will not get an opportunity where the real salary is actually is. But if you find a growing company with a product or service that solves actual problems of customers and focus on that company's goal and help them move the needle, then you become indispensable to that company, and that is growing, hence has a lot of opportunities in senior leadership role. That way not only you grow, but a certain credit of being reliable and effective, which combined is an invaluable trait, and so help you attain amazing salaries in the future and sets you on a path of ever growing career, hence growing salaries.